Do you want to know how you can log into your Notion AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Notion AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Notion AI Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Notion, where you can see you can log in using your Google, Apple, SSO or your email address. So you can choose whichever seems easy for you. If you want to continue using your email address, go ahead and write down your email address in this box over here. Click continue, write down your password and then click sign in. This way you can log into your Notion. If you want to log in using your Google, you can see that the Google accounts are over here. Or you can just click continue with Google and this page will open up. Go ahead and choose your Google account, click continue to sign in to Notion, and in a while you can notice that your Notion account has opened and you have signed in to Notion AI. I hope this video about how you can log into your Notion AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.